was backpacking, and as a hairdresser I took my scissors with me, and while I was traveling I was just cutting people's hair, and I've seen the impact of the result that I could give with my scissors, which was so beautiful to see. And at that time I was like, oh, I want to do more of this. Hairdressers Without Borders is a non-profit organization that is based on educational programs around Asia. And we started Cambodia, Lombok, Indonesia. We had a program in Bali and Nepal, Kathmandu, and now in Surkhet. We're training 20 students in cooperation with BlinkNow organization. And we're having a 2 weeks program of hairdressing. With this cooperation with BlinkNow, they selected girls that are definitely in need of learning a profession. Most of the girls, they are coming from a background with domestic violence, or they got married very young and don't really have an opportunity for a future.